Welcome to my science club, where curiosity turns into cool science magic.
Hey everyone, have you ever seen walking water? Today we're going to do just that and discover the magic behind the capillary action and the color wheel. For this experiment, we need water, transparent cups, food coloring, and tissue papers. Here we have 3 cups filled with water and 3 empty cups and a few folded tissue papers. Now we're going to add each of the primary colors into the cups that are filled with water, and then we're going to insert the tissue papers into the cups. Seven hours later, let's see what we've got here. Wow, now look at those beautiful colors. The water moved through the paper towel by capillary action, mixing the primary colors of red, yellow, and blue to create beautiful secondary colors of orange, purple, and green. Now let's take a look at the science behind this experiment.
Ready to uncover the invisible science behind the famous walking water experiment? Let's dive into this explainer.
See, this isn't just some neat magic trick. It's actually an ancient natural phenomenon at work.
The secret engine driving all this upward movement? It's a really cool concept called capillary action.
Basically, water molecules are attracted to the paper towel. They stick together and literally climb upwards.
Believe it or not, it's the exact same superpower plants use to pull water to their leaves.
But hey, the water isn't just walking. It's carrying primary colors, giving us a vibrant mixing lesson.
When those primary colors hit the empty cups, boom, they mix. Red and yellow instantly make orange.
Next up, the yellow and blue water actually walk together, forming a really bright secondary green. And finally, our blue and red mix together perfectly to give us this beautiful purple payoff. So from just one simple experiment, you're seeing 2 fascinating science concepts happening right before your eyes. So where else is capillary action hiding in your house? Go check your sponges and paper towels.